Hello and welcome to my podcast. Today, I want to talk about 10 common English expressions that you might hear in everyday conversation. These expressions are used by native speakers all the time, so it's a good idea to be familiar with them if you want to improve your understanding of the language. 1. Break a leg. Break a leg. This is a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or presentation. 2. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. This means to endure something difficult or unpleasant without complaining. 3. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. This means to get something exactly right or to identify the true cause of a problem. 4. Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. This is used to describe something that is very expensive. 5. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. This means that something is very easy or simple to do. 6. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. This means that it's someone else's turn to take action or make a decision. 7. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret or disclose information that was supposed to be kept confidential. 8. Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. This means to avoid talking directly about a topic or to speak in a vague or indirect way. 9. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. This means to not make plans or assumptions based on something that hasn't happened yet. 10. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. This is a slang way of saying to die. So those are 10 common English expressions that you might hear in everyday conversation. If you have any questions about these or other expressions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this podcast, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Thanks for listening.